disconnect all the devices from your Google account. So in this video, I'm going to show you the way to disconnect all the devices from your Google account in easy and quick way. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, you simply need to open the Google application on your Android device or iOS device and then select the profile at the top right corner of the screen. Make sure you have logged into that particular account where you want to check the connected devices on your Google account. Once done, tap on Manage Your Google Account button. This will let you access to this page where you need to simply scroll towards in this way and then select Security button. On the security page, when you scroll towards the down, you will see your devices, that is the devices where you are signed in. So let's select Manage All Devices. So to disconnect all the devices from your Google account, you have to simply select any particular device where you want to disconnect your Google account on. Simply select this arrow at the right corner and then select the Sign Out button. Once you are confirmed that you want to remove access to your Google account from this device, you can click on the Sign Out button and easily disconnect all the devices from your Google account.
So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.